Hi everybody, it's Ann and welcome back to the Blogspot. Today we're going to talk about Jussie Smollett, and the title of this article is Jussie Smollett pleads not guilty to latest charges in alleged hate crime hoax. And this comes from CBS and it came out on February 24th. Okay, here we go. Jussie Smollett pleaded not guilty Monday, February 24th, to the latest charges of disorderly conduct. Special Prosecutor Dan Webb requested $10,000 bail, but Cook County Judge James Lynn determined Jussie Smollett is not a flight risk. Jussie Smollett was granted recognizance bond and is due back in court on March 18th. Jussie Smollett was charged with 6 counts of disorderly conduct earlier this month, and Jussie's attorneys are seeking to have the charges dismissed on double jeopardy grounds. One of the protections that the double jeopardy clause provides is not to punish somebody twice for the same offense, said Smollett's attorney, Tina Glandian. Previously, he did forfeit his bond in the amount of $10,000. That, in essence, was a punishment stemming from the criminal proceedings, and therefore trying to punish him again a second time around is not permitted under the double jeopardy clause. You don't just get a do-over. Tina Glandian filed motions to the Illinois Supreme Court Monday afternoon asking for a stay in the case and challenged the authority of Cook County Judge Michael Tooman last year to order a special prosecutor to reinvestigate the allegations. The two brothers Jussie Smollett allegedly paid to carry out the attack, Ola and Abel Osundero, were at Jussie's arraignment on Monday. The brothers could be star witnesses for the state if Jussie's case makes it to trial. They are here because they want the truth to be told, the brothers' lawyer, Gloria Schmidt Rodriguez, said. They are here because they are confident in the work that the Chicago Police Department and the Special Prosecutor's Office put into this investigation. To anyone out there that thinks they got some kind of immunity or some kind of plea deal out of this, that's incorrect. The brothers want the public to know that they were honest and open and remorseful about their conduct in this entire event. They have been truthful since day one, Rodriguez added. Now let's talk about the judge who has been assigned to this case, because Judge Michael Tooman is no longer on the case. And the title of this article is Veteran Judge Who Once Kept Oprah on a Jury Assigned to Jussie Smollett Case. And this comes from the Chicago Sun-Times, and it came out on February 24th. Son of a judge, nephew of one of the world's richest men, James Lynn has spent 30 years on the bench in Cook County. Even when the celebrities aren't the defendants, Lynn has asserted the rich and famous have no more rights than anyone else. Just ask Oprah Winfrey, who tried to beg off jury duty in a murder trial in Lynn's courtroom some 15 years ago. Near the peak of her popularity, then Chicago resident Oprah Winfrey told a throng of reporters that she doubted she would be picked from the jury pool for the 2004 trial. Prosecutors and defendants' lawyers said they thought the talk show host would be a distraction, but neither side tossed the world's most popular talk show host off the jury, and Lynn wasn't interested in letting Winfrey out of her civic duty. I'm not going to say that somebody is too important in our society to be a member of a jury, Lynn told the lawyers then. Oprah Winfrey wound up voting with the other jurors to convict the defendant, whom Lynn later sentenced to 45 years in prison. On Monday, Judge Lynn showed a little impatience with Smollett's Los Angeles-based lawyer, Tina Glandian, as Smollett's legal team pursued an appeal to the state Supreme Court by cautioning her not to make a demand for a speedy trial that would bind Jussie Smollett to a trial date before his lawyers received any of the evidence. Lawyers who practice at the Layton Criminal Courthouse regularly credit Judge Lynn for agreeing to fair plea agreements and for occasionally handing out stiff sentences, though neither scenario seemed likely to be a factor in Jussie Smollett's case based on Monday's hearing. Jussie Smollett's lawyers pledged not to make a plea deal, and even if found guilty, the disorderly conduct charges facing Jussie Smollett carry a maximum sentence of 3 years in prison. Before I end this is the state case, the first case that was originally filed by the city of Illinois, and I see that Tina Glandian is still Jussie's lawyer, even though I did a video saying that it was found that she didn't have a law license to practice in Illinois. But that was back in July, so maybe she has one now, I don't know. Also in the description box below the video, I put a video of them picking a judge to handle Jussie's case. And he looks totally different to me on that video. That's why I'm attaching it. Jussie's federal case is still ongoing, so I'll be back soon with some more news on that case also. Okay, that's going to do it for me. Thank you for stopping by the channel. Please like the video, share the video, post your comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.